From December 15 onwards, Polish home owners are invited to join the program Mój Prąd, or My Electricity. Prosumers will be able to count on 6,000 Polish zlotys in subsidies for photovoltaic installation and 16,000 Polish zlotys for energy storage installation. Minister of Climate and Environment Anna Moskwa said that she counts on hundreds of new prosumers to join the system every day. Government wants to reward this amid the changing market and fluctuating prices. Therefore, the new program from December 22 provides issuing of 6,000 Polish zlotys for the new prosumers for photovoltaics and 16,000 zlotys for energy storage facilities. Minister expects that this will increase the development of the distributed storage as a common feature in households. Minister Anna Moskwa said, "We don't give any limits on the funds allocated to this program. We have the money for the My Current or Mój Prąd program still left over from previous edition. There will be enough funds for all prosumers who want to join the program." Mój Prąd is a support program aimed at increasing the production of electricity from microphotovoltaic installations. This is intended to accelerate the development of prosumer energy and provide support for microphotovoltaic installations, heat storage, electricity storage with a capacity at least of 2 kilowatts, and AEMS or EMS energy management systems. Total photovoltaic market turnover in 2021 was estimated at 16.7 billion of Polish zlotys, of which the market value of capital expenditures alone was about 15.4 billion. In 2022, the commercial turnover of photovoltaics is forecasted to increase and reach more than 20 billion of Polish zlotys, and the value of photovoltaic investment market will be at the level of 19 billion. The 6-year auction support period has been successfully completed. The total capacity of photovoltaic projects that have won all the auctions to date was exceeded 6.3 gigawatts, making Poland a major construction site and place for modern energy transformation for the next 2 or 3 years. New trends have also emerged in the development of the industry. The change in the support system for prosumers from net metering to net billing has prompted consumption of photovoltaic energy, such as through the installation of energy storage, including for the first time thermal storage. As a result, the surge in energy prices, the market share of photovoltaics auto producers, or so-called business prosumers, is also becoming increasingly apparent. Polish photovoltaic market will maintain its growth momentum in the coming years thanks to the rapid growth of photovoltaic farm capacity. Already, by the end of this year, the capacity of all installed photovoltaic sources could reach 12 gigawatts. According to forecast, 20 gigawatts of photovoltaic capacity will be reached in 2025, and in 2030, the cumulative installed capacity could be as high as 28.5. So far, prosumer solar installation saved approximately 14,000 railway cars load of coal that otherwise should be burned to achieve the power production similar to that of photovoltaic. From January to May alone, thanks to photovoltaics, Poland burned about 1.5 million fewer tons of hard coal, and by the end of the year, that number will reach up to 5 million tons.